The ubiquitous 16th note snare roll is a dance music staple. Let's create one using a basic Ableton Live drum kit. So first, lay down a 16th note MIDI pattern like this. We're triggering a 909 snare from a drum rack. So let's customize the velocity of the snare notes. Draw in some notes at maximum velocity and others at a fixed lower velocity. You can louden syncopated notes like this, or you can even follow your track's riff, which will give the roll a nice rhythmic effect in the track. So next, extend this MIDI clip over the entirety of your breakdown section. Then load a MIDI velocity device pre-drum rack. By automating the velocity device's parameters over the course of the snare roll, you can lower or raise the level of the quieter notes, and this will louden the snare roll into a flattened wash of notes like this. This may be enough to give the snare roll sufficient progression, but there are other tricks you can try. Automating the sampler's decay over time will extend each snare note's length a bit as the build-up opens out. If you're using an audio clip of a snare roll instead of a sampler-triggered one-shot, you can always automate a transient shaper's attack or sustain parameters to customize dynamics throughout the build-up. And from here you can customize your stock snare roll with some creative processing. Try liberal panning or auto panning, automated saturation, modulation effects or virtual ambience to inject some personality into proceedings.